with ClickBait pays. And I want to say, first of all, you should join ClickBait pays. It's so simple to do. I've talked to the CEO of the company. I've talked to the head administrator. I've talked to the top tech guy. These people are real people that you can actually reach out to, talk to. We have a chat that will answer your questions, give you ideas, but also you could put your own ads to other programs that you do as the ads that you want to uh, sponsor. So I have another program that I'm doing, and in just the fact that I've been in this program, I've got 7 people who've joined my program. I've never met them, but just the fact that they clicked on my ad link, I now have 7 people in a whole nother program that added up. Next thing I want to talk to you about is you guys that were in BG wealth sharing, and obviously you experience what you experience. This is a great way for you to recoup and come in and get your money back and keep moving forward. So I just want to tell you that I am a witness. Now you can see here, today is day 8. We have completed 2 of our 3 active campaigns. So to speed things along, I'm in the 3rd campaign and I've already done 8 of my 10 clicks for the day. And we have 2 clicks left. This tells you here how many clicks we have in this particular campaign. And if you go and check the earnings from yesterday, compare them to the earnings today, and I'm still not finished with the 3rd campaign. We still have 2 more to go. You can see how it increased and how powerful this is. Again, our click days, once we complete this final campaign, it'll change to 24, and of course that's telling us how many click days. So we have 3 campaigns, so 8 divided by 3 will be 24. Each campaign has 12 days in a campaign. 12 times 3 is 36. Okay. After the 12 days of your campaign, you have a 7-day cooling period. This gives the company an opportunity to check everything out, make sure your accounting is proper, and make sure you're ready to withdraw. Okay, let's finish these last 2 campaigns, clicks for the campaign. So you just simply click on the button. It gives you a advertising title, and you just click open ad. Now you can't see this because I'm doing a screenshot, but it takes me right to an ad. I'm looking at the ad right now. Close the ad out if I'm not interested, or I can save the ad, and then all I have to do is click confirm and earn. Wait a few seconds, takes me right back. Now we're at 9 of 10, and we got 1 more to do. Click view. There's my title. Click my ad. Opens up. I mean, wow, this is exciting. You can do this worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live. You can come in, get a package, start clicking, and make a decision. Now you see the seconds have timed out. I click confirm and earn. And this will complete our 3rd campaign. So you can see campaign 1 is done, campaign 2 is done, campaign 3 is done. Any remaining clicks? No. Now you can see again, you can see how that earnings just jumped up. And you can also see the click days. 24, that means we've completed 8 days of our 12-day campaign. Pretty exciting, huh? All right. The QR code is there. The link is there. Come on in, pick a package, join, and meet us on Telegram. Have a good day.